Alamtologi has a theory called the theory of Alamtologi. This theory explains the fundamental process of time and energy as the main factors to unravel the secrets of the universe. The main concept of the theory is studied to verify its function as the key to unlock the answers for all existing questions about cosmos. This law unites the subject of time and energy into a system that computes the process and rebirth of our universe. These are the theory's symbol, terminology, and the definition. The definition of Adwa is constant. The definition of Miha is nucleus. The definition of Vata is time. The definition of Lhasa is loosed. The definition of Taka is energy. With this theory, Alamtologi created one formula called the formula X, Y, and Z. X formula is the humans or implementer, where every implementation process of the X is dependent on time and energy factors. In this formula, energy is a dominant process for X. X consists of 4 laws. There are knowledge, ethic, creativity, and economy. Y formula is the creator of Z and X. Z and X will not exist without Y. However, Y will continue to exist even though there are no Z and X. Y has its own resolution criteria such as solitary, builder, everlasting, and infinity. Z formula within the universe is a reference system for the X. In this formula, time is a dominant process for the Z. Z has 4 main laws. There are pattern, limit, pair, and balance. Alamtologi is not just a mere name. It is a complete system with 4 departments, or better called as Anjung. Firstly, International Center of Artificial Intelligence, ICAI. Secondly, International Center of Pyramid Science, ICPS. Thirdly, International Center of Environmental Science, ICES. And last but not least, International Center of Human Science, ICHS. Nonetheless, Alamtologi also has a complete syllabus used by the students at ICNS. One of the syllabuses are Asas Module Alamtologi AMA. AMA is a knowledge discipline that uses mapping operation in the process of studying, researching, and developing technologies. All the knowledge disciplines could be understood and expanded to a better development. Next is PAK24. PAK24 is a study of mechanical structure of nature. It involves really closely to the architecture of a diamond. The pattern of PAK24 creates a cube that signifies a passive system in Alamtologi. It has its own operation level in order to create a specific needed process in nature. PSK24 is also another syllabus of Alamtologi that adapts the pattern of diamond from the side view. It is a syllabus of an active operation of energy and could be applied in various system developments including data storage. Chrono is another syllabus that explains the architecture of the universe. Structuring operation in Chrono involves 6 different positions that are top, bottom, left, right, front, and back. Every coordination point in Chrono expresses their own rotation orbit, or better known as Lika in Alamtologi. It is calculated based on the angle and axis of movement of each point. Whilst Chrono is also the core discipline that have become the basic architecture operator for every development process in Alamtologi. Hasil is the mathematics of Alamtologi. This discipline explains every single thing that exists in detail through its mathematical calculation. Based on Hasil application, Alamtologi could go beyond the current understanding about our universe. Knowledge exploration and solutions in various fields like astronomy, healthcare, mechanical technology and security is possible through Hasil.
Ini antara subtopik dalam Bono.
Bono is a combination of two root words which mean symbol and number. There are the symbol and number of Alamtologi. This is a syllabus of numbering program applied in every concept and module of Alamtologi's knowledge development. In Bono, the development process, conventional numbering is no longer used and is replaced with the angka taju.
Bono yang seterusnya iaitu sa, duga, pa, mana dan juga tu.
Alamtologi proves that by learning its syllabus and disciplines, something of more beneficial technologies could be produced. Here are some of the achievements that have been implemented through Alamtologi. First and foremost, the publication of books on the disciplines of Alamtologi in education field. Various of books relating to the knowledge have been published to optimize the public's understanding regarding the disciplines of Alamtologi. Among the books that have been published are as follows: Dictionary of Alamtologi, Pengenalan Asas Alamtologi, The Introduction of Alamtologi, Hasil, which is the mathematics of Alamtologi, research journals, last but not least, the XYZ formula. Next is the production of SPX V60 in the security system. SPX V60 was invented in 2004 in Germany by fully utilizing the technologies developed based on disciplines of Alamtologi. The data storage technology has been able to withstand up to 150 degrees centigrade of fire. The production of operating system Ketupat OS. It is known as the first operating system in Asia, which was developed using the disciplines of Alamtologi. As for the health sector, we have the production of immunotherapy 13. I-13 is a micromineral which acts as the basic energy element to improve, target or restore the functions of immune system. It is being produced to boost the body's natural defenses to fight any diseases. Next, we move on to the energy sector, which is the production of Tenala. Tenala is a technology that generates from nature resources such as fire, earth, water and air. It is being operated with the formula of XYZ, and it is the solution for a clean and safe energy that may harvest the surrounding energy to generate a continuous electricity supply. Last but not least is the production of end-to-end neuroscience, which involves the mind. End-to-end is a mind mapping module that uses scientific and systematic methods to increase productivity and individual excellence. It is an accurate method for improving the capacity and the skills of the individual's mind to achieve an optimum value in all aspects of life. Technically, there are a lot of other technologies that have been developed by Alamtologi. For instance, in the field of aviation and space. Alamtologi have been using the XYZ formula as the base system in all its research and development operation. Various questions from grad scholars, scientists and researchers have been answered by Alamtologi through its research studies. Alamtologi has managed to prove the connection operation between organic molecule, element and quantum system. And not just that, with every discoveries and studies made, it is being explained in a detailed manner scientifically according to the facts and calculations that was gotten. Based on such findings and discoveries, this could somehow verify that Alamtologi has a formula that could be used by all. Alamtologi could also scientifically explain beyond clear discoveries in conventional knowledge like the Darwin theory, gravity theory, and the quantum theory. Alamtologi in general has an ongoing research and development. The experts of Alamtologi called P.alt are still active and keen to share this knowledge with everyone by exposing the facts and scientific evidence of the theories being made. The main aim of Alamtologi is to produce products and technologies that are based on Alamtologi's knowledge, which is to benefit the humankind. So with this, Alamtologi's goal is to ensure that this knowledge is needed on a global level, and to make ICNS as the major hub in the development of world technologies.